Hello guys, we're in Taipei Airport.
Yeah, Taoyuan.
Taoyuan. We're in Taiwan, Taipei Airport. We're currently looking for some food to eat or coffee to drink. But ayun, umiikot lang kami. Nakita na namin gate namin. So, na-delay yung flight niya na onte. Medyo sabay na kami. So, yun lang. Hi guys, we bought sa Starbucks ng caramel macchiato.
I like this cup.
Mag-new Head and Shoulders every day.
And ayun, so we're just waiting for our order. Hi guys, so we bought caramel macchiato. Grande. Kasi diet kami. Since onti lang na film ko kanina, we took Eva Air na airlines. Si ate, ano yung ginawa mo? Oriental breakfast or something?
Vegetarian Oriental meal.
Na she ordered through the app. Ako, kasi it was tocino. Tocino with fruits and coleslaw yung isa. But yun. So, masarap naman. Walang dessert, walang tinapay. Tubig lang. Bottled water. So, we're now 3 hours. After 3 hours pa yung boarding ni ate. Namin. So, ayan. Tambay muna. So guys, I'm at my gate na. But I left my sister na at her gate. I think she already boarded the plane. My flight got delayed at like 30 minutes lang naman. So, not so much. Medyo nagsabay na kasi kami ni ate. But ayun, so I'm at my gate already. Ang nakakaaliw nga dito sa mga gates nila is every gate is a different theme. So, ang theme ng akin is like film. I think yung kay ate was typography. So, Taiwan Airport is really nice. Ang daming luxury brands. So, hindi kami masyadong nag-ikot. Kasi, anong gagawin namin doon? Like, pati yung mga food. Parang we only went to Starbucks. Tapos, ayun, we just rested before our long flights. But it does look like we're gonna board soon. So, baka the next time you see me is when I'm in LAX already. Yun lang naman. Hello everyone and welcome to The Plane. I am your flight attendant dude and I will walk you through my experience sa plane. Starting with the food. For the menu, we have beef with veggies, with egg, and then kimchi on top of rice. Mahala na yung sides. Basta masarap yan. Thanks. Next we have is chicken pesto, pasta, na may veggies, with graham, tas fruits. Pero yung carrots, guys, nakabilog yan. And as we all know, mas masarap siya pag bilog. Anyway, for the experience sa plane, I was in the middle row. Kaya quiet lang ako. You know, and iihi lang ako pag iihi nakatabi ko. Para like all in one na. At yun, malapit na kami sa CR and 16 hours siya. So nanonood na ako ng movie at 2. Thank you. Makakarating din tayo sa destination natin, sa San Thomas Station.
Ayan o.
Hello! Nakarating din.
You've arrived at your destination.
So guys, nandito na kami sa LA. Si Motherhood. Kamusta likod? So ayun, we're going to Jollibee. Kakain kami. We're gonna take the bus.
Nag-travel na America to eat Jollibee.
Oo, my God. Ayun lang yung goal namin dito. Actually guys, ang dami pang malalapit na kainan. Pero gutom na sila.
Yeah.
Request nila Jollibees. So ayun, it's dark, it's cold. But it's LA.
Everybody
Yeah. Tingin model ah. Isa pa, look back, look back. Eh. Rapunzel.
Kunyari, magdrama ka, dali.
Yes. We are in Jollibee. Motherhood focused. Ayan. Yung bumili ng food namin, ito. Buti na lang hindi nag-decline. So, welcome to our vlog. Ayan. We are in Jollibee. Ano yung in-order ko? In-order ko dito yung Angus Cheeseburger. Oh, wala kaming ganun sa Pilipinas. Kayo, order nyo.
Two-piece burger steak, of course.
One piece with Jolly's Pagkare.
And you, ma'am? Order na.
One piece chicken and spaghetti and
Ay, nag-rice ako sa'yo.
Ha?
May rice ka.
Tsaka
Hindi ako
pineapple.
nag-rice.
Wow, pag ganon. Saan? But this is my burger. Chicken, spaghetti. Ito yung...
Grand opening. Ay,
Ano yeah. Burgers to? Parang ang sarap ng burgers.
I know, right?
Just ito yung mashed potatoes ko. Rice, gravy. Pineapple juice. Coke. Pepsi pala to.
Kanin.
Pineapple juice.
Where's my cellphone?
I move.
Ito guys yung burger. Angus. Ano to? Ay, ito pala oh. Angus burger. Yan. Hindi pa rin direct. Ayan. So, ito siya in person. So, we're about to check out.
Alam mo marami spaghetti nila ha.
Oo nga. Malaki serving.
Inuubos na.
Burger. Malaki siya siya. Oo. Ang ganang keyboard mo. Sarap. You don't like it. You don't like? Ba't malasa siya? I like it.
Mas gusto ko pa yata yung McDo.
Are you?
Well, kasi McChicken yung kinukuha ko din.
I like it.
Sarap.
Kakain lang kami guys. To get back to you.
Dali, patok ko na! Kayo naman niya eh. Di, sentimental daw.
Sentimental pala.
Uli mo na. Pasok nyo.
Gugustuhan mo ha.
Chismis eh. Nakaaway sila. Alam mo, minsan ganun ako mag-edit. Sa dami-daming naging isang oras yung vlog, pero yung nilagay, 10 minutes. Parang montage, tas biglang, hey! Ay, girl, alam mo dun sa amin namin, yung editing mo dun sa Smiskies, parang yung editing style niya. Kasi iba yung editing style mo din kaysa sa kanya. Sa kanya parang bulabog.
Actually, kakanood ko lang kay Emma Chamberlain.
Kaya, kasi siya din yung inspo ko eh.
Oo.
Yung which, I like that.
Canva lang yan. Ang dami lang ng subscribers mo.
13 pa lang.
Ako din, I like your intro.
Gumawa ng 5 account, tas i-subscribe lang. How long ago was this?
April last year.
Last year?
Last year.
Kaya pala iba yung itsura natin, Iggy.
May
Kaya
kipabok
nga sabi
na.
ko, ang ikli pala ng hair niya dyan.
Oo.
Ang inisip ko, kasi diba yung sa Hong Kong, nakabala ng hair niya. Akala ko, nagpagupit siya.
Hindi.
Ayan, babe, si Becky.
Oo, si Becky. Ay, nakuha mo pa si Becky?
Oh, girl, si Becky. Nung pinapanood ko nga to, sabi ko, oh my God, Becky, sabi ko.
Mas masarap siya pag bilog.